our 110 volt drum barrel mixer. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall height, we have at least 44 inches. Depth, at least 28.5 inches. Overall length will be 42 inches. Coming to the front plate, or 4 rivets or caps. The front plate can be opened by removing 4 of the caps on each bolt. That way you can pour in your goods and dump in your products for mixing. After the product is inside the barrel, lock each cap back into their bolts and you're all set. Coming to the side of the mixer, we have our 110/120 voltage plug. On the top is a box with a switch where you can tilt the mixer up or down. So if you turn off left or right of the switch, the barrel on top can mix your products inside either up or down with the flip of the switch. For all questions, give us a call. And for more information on this product, visit our website. Thank you.